Hello everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Prosper. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the best dollar visual card that you can use to make international payments. So if you have been following my channel or you have watched some of my videos where I showed you how to create a website, and if you are actually watching from Nigeria, you might have issues with paying for your domain or hosting, or maybe you just want to make payments for some international sites, and then just like our card might not just work. So here I'm going to be showing you the card that you can use to make payments easy and seamlessly. So like you can see here, I'm already on the site. The name of the site is grey.co. That's grey.co. The next thing I want to do now is to take you through this site and show you how you can get your card and how you can send money into the accounts that you'll be given, the different accounts that you'll be given, and how you can use it to make payments online. So if that interests you, do make sure you watch the video to the end. All right, so to get started, once you're already on your site, grey.co, so just come here and click on get started, and like you can see, it is actually free. So once you are here, you select your language. So let's go ahead and select our language. So English, or you can choose whatever English language that best applies to you. So English, continue. Here you select what country do you live. So you need to take note. You are going to need you need to verify your account. So you can see the document you can use for verification depends on your selected country of residence. Please double check your choice. So for this now, you can see, so since I'm doing it from Nigeria, there are other countries here. So let me just look for it. This is it, Nigeria. Then you click on continue. Okay, so confirm you have a valid ID for Nigeria. So you need to take note of that. You need ID for verification. It's a financial institution. So proceed with Nigeria. So here you go ahead and fill in all this information. Your name, your middle name is optional, your surname. Just take note as it is on your ID. So you need to be very careful with this. Make sure it's the same thing with your ID in terms of the names, even the spelling. You understand? The spelling, then you select your gender, male or female, your email address. So you put in your phone number and then you enter your referral code. So if you are watching this, kindly use my referral code, which is this. So that's J53RSG. So kindly use my referral code. Okay. So once you fill in all of this information, you click on continue, and then you'll be taken to the step 3. So that step 3 is where you're going to be putting in your password. Exactly. So once you fill in all these details, you continue, you fill in your password. After you put in your password, a confirmation code will be sent to your email, and that is the email you need to come back here and enter. So once you do that, you've been able to create an account on Grey. So now let me log in into my account so I can walk you through the process of creating your own card and then making the payment. So now I'm already logging into my Grey account. So if you look at it, this is just the way the dashboard will look like. You're going to be seeing your balance for all the accounts that you've created, and on this side you can see home, account, payment, transaction, cards. These are maker of interest, and then report and statement. Okay, so to start with, if you come over to account, so you're going to see all the accounts that you've created within Grey. You can create, a different account that you can create depending on your country. So there'll be different account that is available to you, but the basic one will be there. The US dollar, the GB pounds, the euros will be there, and then your country account will be there because I'm selecting Nigeria. Nigeria, so I'm going to be having a Nigerian account. So you can see the bank account will just show up below. So there's a Wama Bank, there's a Sterling Bank account. Then I also have the CDs account right here. Okay. Now, what do you do if you want to make payments with this Grey? So first thing is, there'll be an option for you to create your account, to request for an account rather, and it doesn't take too much time. So once you request for an account, your Nigerian account will be given to you. This is it. You see your account number just below it. So the next thing is you're going to send money to your account, just the same way you send or transfer money to every Nigerian account. And then you see it here, to reflect here in your balance. So you can see it here like this, 18,000. So once you have that Naira in your Grey account, you come over to convert funds, because you need to convert it to USD. So let's say I want to convert amount you will receive. So I want to convert from Naira to USD. So I come here and select USD. So let's say I want to convert about, okay, I want to convert $11. So I've entered it here, and this is the amount that I want to convert. Or you can just come here and select, okay, I want to convert 18,000. So to give you the amount, it will be in dollar here. You can see it here. Okay, so let me just leave it at 11 here. You click on continue. So to show you the exchange rates and the total fee, so you can just go ahead. You want to select any of these. Why are you converting? What's the purpose for? So you can see your money is on its way. You have successfully converted 17,565 naira point 14 kobo to $11. All right, so let me go back to balance. All right, so you can see it's pretty much very fast. The money we just converted, it has reflected in our USD account. Okay, so now that that is done, let's head over to cards. So you can see it's a card. You click on card. So if you are yet to create a card, you see an option where you can create a card. However, before you create a card, you need to verify your account. Exactly, you need to verify your, that's do KYC, verify your account with your national ID card or whatever means of identification that you have or that was requested for. Exactly. So now you can see this is the card here. There are 4 options here. If you press on these details, it's going to show you all the details about the card. That is the name, the CVV code, and then those 16 digits, the expiring dates, and the likes, all of the information that you need. So once you click on details, that will pop up. Then if you want to freeze your card, so this is the option to freeze and unfreeze your card. And once you create your account, if at any point in time you're having issues with paying and it's not going through, you might need to come back and check if your card has not been frozen. Sometimes you might just freeze it after some time if you don't use it, just for security reason, or maybe they suspect something, they might just freeze it and then you can call me and then unfreeze it. Exactly, it's just for security purpose. So there's this option here, withdraw funds. So if you have funds in your card and maybe you've not used it for a while, or maybe you funded your card with excess fund, you can as well withdraw the fund and you can get your statement, or you can delete the card. So these options are pretty much straightforward. Okay, so now let's add fund to this card. So just come here and click on add money. You select how much you want to add. So you can see you can only add in USD, but that doesn't mean it's only in USD you can make payment. You can also make payment on sites that accept other currency apart from US dollar. However, you might be charged a particular just a small fee anyway if you are making payment on other site that is not in US dollar. So you need to take note of that. But however, I think most sites uses those US dollar. All right. So now let's put in how much you want to fund. So let's say I want to fund it with the same $11. You can see it. This is the amount that it will show up. Okay, you can even put in your Naira straight away and it will convert it. So whichever way you want to do it. All right, so I click on continue. It's showing me card funding, amount to be debited, total fees, and this. So fund card. You can see card deposit is processing. And then let me just press this and see. All right, so I believe you heard that notification. That's a notification on my phone telling me that you've added $11 to your prepaid USD card. So you can see it's pretty much fast. I didn't even pause the video or do anything. You can see it has already reflected here. Okay, so now that you already have your card funded, the next thing you can just click here on details, and then you see the details about the card, and then you can see it here too. You can see it in this recent transaction that my card has just been funded with $11. So now once you click here, you see the details for your card, and then you can go ahead and make payment on whatever site that you want to make payment on. So now let me also show you the things that you need to take note of. Okay, so you can see what kind of card can I get. So you can create a visual US credit card. So all these frequency questions, you might need to just go through them. So do I need a US bank account to get a card? No. Can I withdraw from the virtual card? Yes, I made mention. Can I receive payment using the virtual card? No. So how long can I use the virtual card? The virtual card expires after 3 years. So you need to take note of that. Then the one that is, you can see, where can I use my gray USD virtual card? So these are all the sites that you can use the card on. You can see there are a lot of them here. The popular ones and some that you might not really be familiar with. You can see they have a lot of sites that you can use the card to make payment on. So you can see there. So if you're in the digital marketing, the card comes in handy because there are a lot of digital marketing related services or platform that you can use the card to make payments. You can say, so that's the card I mostly use. So that's why it's coming highly recommendable. So however, if you scroll down, also it says You cannot use your card in the following sites: adult entertainment, pornography, cryptocurrency, gambling, sport forecasting or betting, internet gambling, fortune tellers, remittance platform, drug paraphernalia, and so on. So you need to take note of this. So you can't use the card on any of these sites. Exactly. So I hope you find value in this. Please, if you do, click give the video a thumbs up. And with that, guys, I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.